so we have another package to open up with my baby girls. We just got a package. I wonder what's inside. They're looking at me like, Mom, what's in here? All right. What do you guys think it's in? What do you guys think it is?
It's scissors.
We do need scissors. You're right. Let's try to open it up without it. You're right. We do need our scissors. But I'm going to try to open it up without it. Ooh, I got a paper. I got a loophole. Let's see. If I can't get into this. Oh. I think we're going to get there.
We're going to get there.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
That's our secret thing.
That's our secret thing.
Yeah. Okay.
You use your hands to open the package?
I did because we're strong. We have the strength of Jesus. The joy of the Lord is our strength in every area of our lives. So guys, I pray that you guys are excited about this week. If you're anything like me, you are believing and trusting God for stuff that's bigger than you. And so I hope this will encourage you to never give up on what God has called you to do, no matter how it may feel. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so after all of that hard work. Oh my gosh, you guys. Shout out to TikTok Shop for sending me. Oh, look what this is, girls. For that. We got another blessing from Hatley Designs. We love this company. Becca, you are an amazing girlfriend. So we got the viral, hallelujah, Wipe Clean Workbook. I'm super excited about this. I'm a homeschool mother, so I love to teach my babies.
Homeschool mother?
I sure am, baby. I love to teach my babies how to write, how to know their letters. Ooh, what letter is this one?
A.
What number is this?
2.
Good. What number is this one?
3.
What number is this?
1.
What letter is this?
P.
What letter is this one?
O.
What letter is this?
N.
What letter is this one?
A.
What letter is this?
W.
Right. What's this?
Rainbow.
What's this?
Pencil.
Very good. So, we're super excited about this. So, we're going to open her up.
Open her
And let's look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. This has been blessing you already. Right, girl.
Working.
Work, God. Work. Yes. I love you guys so much. Okay, if I can open it, let's see if I'm going to have to use a pen.
Like to use a pen to open it?
Handy dandy pen to open up the plastic part. Because it's brand new.
Yeah.
And we just thank God for Hatley Designs.
And we
because
just open the package.
Miss Becca, she is just
This is
awesome
Becca.
sauce. Yeah, she's amazing.
Yeah, she's amazing.
She really is. And I'm so happy that her family, they have this beautiful business. Yeah. This beautiful business where they can bless families. She did. She surprised us and blessed us with this. Oh, there's a marker with it.
There's a marker.
I love it. Okay,
I
so.
love it. I'll help you, Mom.
Thanks, Princess. Okay. Oh my goodness. So, guys, you can like practice with your little ones. Oh, so cool. Oh my gosh. And the blessing is you got an eraser. Like, okay, let's try it. So let's do, Jacarliana, do you want to do the snail or the ziggly?
I like to do the snail.
Okay. All right, Princess. I want you to try the best you can, and then Nana, you're going to have your turn too.
Okay.
All right. All right, can you come with Mama? Excuse me, Nana, for just 1 second. And then Nana's turn after. All right, Princess. Get your handy dandy marker and take your time. Beautiful penmanship. Excellent. Take your time. Beautiful. Want to do one more? That looks so good. Good. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so proud of you. One more. And then it'll be Nana's turn. This is the most blessed thing about being a mother. I love to let their creativity shine. Okay. Now Nana's turn. Now, Sweet Pea, what one would you like to do today for your tracing exercise? And then we're going to go over some more in homeschool today. Which one would you like, Princess?
I like this one.
Okay. Take your time, baby. Now, remember, I think you might be left-handed. You might want to try the other hand, honey bun. Yeah, you're left-handed. You're more dominant. So take your time. I'm going to push this up, sweet pea, and the best you can. Start here and go. I'll help you. Go up.
That rose.
Good. And then go around. Good job. It's like a loopity-loop. Loopity-loop, my darling. Loopity-loop. Loopity-loop. Loopity-loop, my darling. Skip, skip, skip to my loop. Skip to my loop, my darling. Good job. Excellent. Okay. We're going to keep working at it. And she is only 3, and I think that was incredible. Now, so this hat looked at it so good. You can tell the difference between 3 and the 5-year-old, right? But I'm grateful they're trying.
I can see my makeup.
Yeah, girl, you look gorgeous. So, you want to try to erase?
Yeah.
Let's erase and let's do another one. So, let's go. Oh, it disappeared. Want to try again?
Yeah.
You do it. Oh, this side, sweet pea.
No.
So, like this. See? You get to erase it. And when I tell you the erase quality, hold on, y'all. Watch this. It doesn't take much effort. Like, you literally barely have to touch the board. That's impressive. Okay, want to try it, sweet pea?
Yeah.
So it's going to be definitely easy, mess-free. This is good for, like, car trips. It's good for if you're in a grocery store, during your lessons, because it lets them just
It
work it out themselves.
disappeared.
It disappeared. Oh, I love it. Oh, my goodness. All right, okay, let's let Sissy try too. Okay, Sissy's turn. Here, I'll draw some more so that you can erase too. Oh, this glides on like butter. Oh, my gosh. I love this. That's mommy's. So yeah, for the parents, if you want to do a demonstration, it glides on like butter. This is absolutely impeccable. I love it. It's very durable. It's definitely not flimsy. So you're going to get so much in this investment. I think it's worth it. I've done you the favor. It's already added to this video right at the bottom. Just click on there and just enjoy yourself. And how does it feel to erase it? Is it hard?
Yeah, it's soft.
It's soft. Even a 5-year-old can say how nice and soft it is. The quality is great. So we're going to have a lot of fun practicing handwriting. We're going to be writing our name in English and in cursive. I'm going to be working on that this week with my 5-year-old because I want to bring back the old basics. Hallelujah. Well, this is exciting. We're going to do so many different things in this book. Oh my gosh. Listen, homeschool is going to be such a fun time because look, it has everything laid out. It has your lettering. It has what a characters represent. So like your apple, you have different words for the beautiful children to understand. And then they can even circle. Sure, you want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try the letters.
And they're ready to learn. So I'm going to keep teaching my babies. You go ahead and grab yours for yourself. You can learn your babies too. Have a blessed one.